We got another one, baby. Yorkshire puddings, perfect ones too, every time. If you don't know what a Yorkshire pudding is, any American viewers or anything like that, it looks like this or this, and it's sort of like a, I don't know how you'd explain it. It's kind of like a pancake that's fluffy and big and savoury, I don't know, but this is how you make them perfectly. And don't forget to enter the 2K subscribers competition. Remember, comment flavour chaser under 2 videos and you automatically entered. Winner announced next week. Thank you for watching. You're all so sick. Bow. Station. Alright, first things first, speedy preheaty, baby. Your oven 200 degrees, no messing. Now, lovely oven tray. Controversial, but this is a sick way. You can use like a little Yorkshire pudding tin, but I use these silicone cupcake molds. So sick. Vegetable oil, you just want to cover the bottom layer, my G, the bottom. Right, we're going to get this nice and hot. This is important. Very important indeed. Now they're full, look on them something there. Bang them in the oven, come on baby. Yeah, stick them in there, get them nice and hot. Now, while they heat up, you want them smoky, baby. Plain flour, this is for the batter. Spuddy buddy daddy. Yes, my G. 3 eggs, always go with 3. Milk, and that's your lot. Seasoning, you want a jug and also a measuring container. Well, yeah. Now I used a cognac glass because it's yak-yak-a-dak. Right, bang your eggs in there. Now this works on an equal quantities basis. So if you have 3 eggs, you need to measure the quantity and then add the same milk, the same flour, whisker, season good, boom. Easy, quick. Oh yes. Oi, you. Yeah, I'm talking to you. Hit that subscribe button, man. And the ding dong. The ding dong's so important. Ask your mum. Now you've got your eggs, you can see the line where you need your other ingredients to be. That's all you got to do is match it. So bang them in your mixer jugger. Put your milk in. It ain't got to be exact measurements. Look, round about the same level. Liquids first, so egg, milk, flour after that. We're going to come behind with the flour now and just fill that till it gets to the same sort of level. Come on, baby. Get that filled. Tap it down so you can see the level. See it there? See the line? Yes, man. No messing. That's about right to me. Chuck that in there. Now, there ain't no reasoning. Food needs seasoning. You don't know the settings. Salt and pepper. This one, yeah, sick. 2 generous pinches is very important. You don't want them tasting bland and bland. And whisk. Lovely jubbly. Whisk that. Give that a mix. Got to big up everyone who subscribed, got me to 2K. You lot smash it every single time. Speed it up, baby! And don't forget to enter the 2K giveaway mystery box competition. Cupcake cases. You can use a normal Yorkshire pudding tin. I don't do that, man. Put that in there, see that sizzle? That means they're hot. If they don't sizzle, a lot of people have trouble making them rise. You don't need self-raising flour to make cakes. You just need hot oil. Actually, no, you just need the equal quantities, because I've done it with cold oil before and they still rise enough to be Yorkshire puddings. You just got to follow this recipe and you've got Yorkshire puddings every time perfect. It's literally one of them things that once you crack it, baby, everyone will be impressed, man. Everyone will love your Yorkshire puddings. They'll be like, rah, no way. Now, these have been in the oven for a good 3 minutes, I'd say. Look at them already. Mad thing. They're rising. It's reacted with the hot oil. The eggs puffing up like a souffle. It's litty committed. No messing. That's about 8 minutes in, and now 10 minutes in, turning golden and beautiful. You don't want to take them out too soon because they will collapse. See them white bits there at the bottom? That'll make it collapse. Means underneath's not cooked. You don't want that. See, that bit's not cooked there. Now they're cooked. See how it's golden all the way around. They've risen. They will not sink. They will not stick. They will not give you no trouble, I promise you, on everything. I don't let the flavour chasers down. See it there? I ain't even got a tug at the thing. Then I come out. Yes, man. I'm happy with them, blood. Yeah, no messing. Look. Hollow, but crispy. And they're going to be fluffy inside. Let's get in. Oh, baby. Look at that beauty. So lovely inside. Look at that black pepper as well. Lovely. Chewy, fluffy, crispy on the outside. Got to slow that moment down. Look at that. If I do say so myself, that's perfect. Thanks for watching. Love ya.